are in Riyadh, where the first fast public charging station installed in EVIQ sites. This is our first Terra 360 charger installed in the Middle East for ABB. The government here, they created a lot of initiatives for the green energy, for the sustainability, for the decarbonizations. Actually, ABB, they installed the first DC charger in Saudi Arabia. It was in 2018. We are from the first company started this business here in Saudi Arabia. So we started to grow exponentially on this business, and now we are in the good position here in Saudi Arabia as a company for ABB in the e-mobility business itself. Actually, our relation with EVIQ, it started early, and we developed our business with them, and this one is resulting to the first station here we installed. They have a plan to cover all the kingdom, to make it available for everyone here in Saudi Arabia.